All right, so a very good afternoon to one and all present here. I'm actually very excited to share all loads of interesting and exciting information about our company, what our company does, and what our company provides to all of you here today. So before we dive into our presentation, I would like to introduce myself to all of you. My name is Cindy, and I'm the marketing manager of Rapidz Thailand. So I would like to know, have anyone in here in this room heard about Rapidz before? Raise your hands. All right, I see a few hands here in this room who actually have heard about Rapidz before. So what Rapidz actually is? Rapidz is a service provider for a crypto payment solution. And of course, our main objective is to make global payments, a decentralized global payments in the ecosystem in order to make the payments even more easier, more convenient, and hassle-free. So of course, in this graph, I would like to show you all the number of blockchain wallet users worldwide. So as you can see, since day one until today, the figures have increased tremendously. And why is it so? Because there are more and more people who are actually gaining more interest, in blockchain technologies or cryptocurrencies, or people who are actually started to believe in the power of blockchain or cryptocurrencies. However, in this graph, you see a totally opposite sign of usage of cryptocurrency in your day-to-day life. So as you can see here from the graph itself, the average consumer to business payments in cryptocurrencies falls to only $14. However, a traditional payment such as UnionPay take the highest rank. People use UnionPay, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, or even American Express more. So what does this graph actually tells you is that if you're a crypto investor yourself, you will know that you invest in cryptocurrencies, hold cryptocurrencies mainly for speculations, but not for daily usage in your day-to-day life. So what are the problems that we are actually facing right now? As I mentioned earlier in the previous slide, that there are over 30 million users worldwide who owns a blockchain wallet or hold cryptocurrencies. But, however, there is no retailers, no proper merchants who actually accept cryptocurrencies as one of their payment methods. And of course, even though if you earn some amount of money from speculating and you would like to do a withdrawal, the process is quite tedious. You still have to go through so many processes, so many stages in order to exchange or convert your money to fiat into your own currency. And of course, the current payment gateway is pretty high. How high it is? Of course, the traditional payment methods can charge you transaction fees varies from 2% to 4% per transaction. So what are the solutions that Rapidz provides to all these problems, or what solutions do we have to solve all of these problems? Of course, as I mentioned earlier, there are no retailers who can actually accept cryptocurrencies or where you can actually use your cryptocurrencies to purchase goods or services. But Rapidz have actually created a system where you can actually use your cryptocurrencies in order to spend in your day-to-day life to purchase goods and services. And of course, we also have created an application where you can actually send or receive cryptocurrencies to your friends, to your families, or to your loved ones. Very easy and very convenient. And also, Rapidz is also currently developing one of the new features will be out very soon in our new version of application, where the application itself will show you the nearby merchants who actually accept cryptocurrencies in order for you to actually make payments to make purchases of their goods and services using your cryptocurrencies. So this is actually just a comparison of a traditional payment method versus a blockchain payment method. So as you can see here, in a traditional payment method, let's say a Visa or MasterCard, it's a centralized server. There is a middleman where you still have to pass through a middleman, while blockchain payment is a decentralized platform. And also for a Visa or MasterCard, in order to own one of these cards, you actually need identification, correct? And also addresses and so many other documentations that you need to be filled out. However, in order to pay using a blockchain platform or using Rapidz, you require only email address and a Rapidz account. Very, very easy, not tedious at all. And also there are several intermediaries in Visa and MasterCard payments or a traditional payment, let's say that. But in a blockchain payment itself, there is no intermediaries. And this is actually just a remittance case study of a Western Union and Bitcoin. Let's say you're going to transfer money using Western Union amount of 100 USD to Hong Kong dollars. What else you have to pay? You will have to pay a sending fee of 4.99, so let's round it up as $5. A sending fee of $5, an exchange rate of 2%, and a total cost which will cost you almost $7 in order to make a transaction, which you actually have to pay. These fees are quite a lot, but we're talking only a number of $100. How about if we talk about large numbers? Let's say you're gonna send your child to a boarding school in Hong Kong, and then you would have to transfer a loads amount of money. We're not talking about just $100 US, but we're talking about thousands and thousands of dollars. Once you want to transfer a lot of amount of money of $1,000, your transaction fees is not just $7. $1,000 can cost you a sum or a lot amount of transaction fees to you itself. However, if you choose to pay with cryptocurrencies on a blockchain platform or using your Bitcoin, the sending fee is of course a lot lesser. The exchange rate is of course a lot lesser, and as well the total cost is a lot lesser because on a blockchain platform you're charged at a very, very nominal transaction fees. All right, so let's resume back. So as I said that if you choose to transfer your money, let's say you're transferring 100 USD to Hong Kong dollars, you're actually paying a lot of transaction fees using a Western Union, which can cost you up to $6 to $7 per transaction of 100 USD. However, if you choose Bitcoin on a blockchain platform, you're actually paying a lot lower or a lot nominal transaction fees at only around $1 to $2 US per transaction of 100 USD worth of transactions. So let's say, as I told you or I mentioned earlier, that we're not talking about just a small amount of money, but we're actually talking about a lot of money, thousands and thousands, 10,000s, 1 million of US dollars. How much transaction fees can you actually save if you actually choose to pay or transfer using Bitcoin? And of course, the other important thing that I would like to mention is that while using Bitcoin, transferring Bitcoin on the blockchain platform, the transaction is made immediately. However, using a Western Union, of course, you also know their working hours, 2 to 3 business days, and it's not immediate. So using Bitcoin on a blockchain platform is more faster, more convenient, and you get charged with a very less transaction fees. So Rapidz makes payments easy and secure for anybody, anywhere, any part of the world. How are we doing it? I'm going to show you all. So currently, we actually have 3 products that have been launched. Our Rapidz POS device, Rapidz Pay application, and Rapidz ATM machine. So let's start with the Rapidz POS device. We also have our Rapidz POS device here at the booth. So if you would like to see how it works or how we do the transactions, what are the fees and all the statements or the processes, you can actually join us here at the booth itself. So our Rapidz POS device, as you can see, it looks very, very similar to the one that accepts Visa or MasterCard. But what makes us different is that we accept cryptocurrency as one of the payment methods. So this Rapidz POS device is specially designed for the merchants to actually accept cryptocurrencies as one of the payment methods. So for our Rapidz POS device itself, currently we support 4 currencies, which is Rapidz, our very own token, our very own currency, and we support Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. And of course, currently we are still under development. We'll be supporting Ethereum and Nemcoin as well very, very soon. So for our POS device itself, the merchant can actually view their daily sales report or weekly sales report. And also you can also track purchases, track transaction IDs, and also the merchant itself can store their cryptocurrencies in their POS devices as well. Now let's move to our Rapidz Pay application. So for those who would like to have a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrencies, you can feel free to download our application. Our Rapidz Pay application also acts as a digital wallet where you can actually store your cryptocurrencies. And as I mentioned earlier, we support 4 currencies so far: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Rapidz token, and we'll be supporting Ethereum and NEM very, very soon as well by this year. And also, not only does the Rapidz Pay application act as a digital wallet, but you can also send, receive, and also you can use it to pay for goods and services, to make purchases of goods and services at the merchants as well. And not only that, our Rapidz Pay application also acts as a real-time currency rate as well. So you can actually view your currency rate in a real time. And not only that, for our Rapidz Pay application, on the consumer side, you can actually see the merchant promotion, whether this shop is actually having a buy one, get one free, this shop is having some promotion, a discount, 10%, 50%, or 90%. You can actually go and visit your nearby merchants to make purchases using your cryptocurrencies as well. And our third product is the most important and the most exciting product ever that we have ever launched, is the Rapidz ATM machine. It's our very own crypto ATM machine where you can actually buy or sell cryptocurrencies or Rapidz or the selected cryptocurrencies directly at the machine itself without going through any kind of exchanges or any kind of merchants by that. And also, the consumer itself can actually check transactions, view the transaction history. You can also send your cryptocurrencies to your friends, your family, your loved one as well. So our Rapidz ATM machine is actually already developed. We have done all the beta testing, and currently it's in Hong Kong, and we're actually waiting for it to ship here to Thailand as well. So it should be here by next month. So if you guys would like to see our very own crypto ATM machine, you can actually go and visit us at our Bangkok office, which is at the major Cineplex Ratchayotin. So here we have our Rapidz mobile application. This is our second version, or you can say this is our very, very new version, which is not out yet, which is not launched. We are still under beta testing. We're still testing the software. We are still testing it. So our new application is going to be a very, very good improvised version of our Rapidz Pay application. So for our new version of application, you will be actually able to use your cryptocurrencies, not only to store your cryptocurrencies, you can also use it to pay for goods and services from now. And also we have developed a very, very new feature where you can actually text message your friends, or you can do voice calls or even video calls in a HD form, in a HD definition. So this is in a new version of us. And also in a new version, we'll be supporting Ethereum and NEM token as well. So this is actually our roadmap. So Rapidz was founded in the year of 2017, and our headquarters is actually in Switzerland. And we actually started our private ICO sale in the November of 2017. And from then on, we just kept on developing our software, develop our products, launched 3 products so far. And also we just established our Bangkok office in the previous month on 3rd March. So feel free to go there and visit there as well. And also we'll be establishing our office in Seoul, Korea very soon. And we also have established our office in Taiwan as well. So you can also go and visit our office at Taipei and 101 Tower, so you can actually go there. And this is our coming soon application, which is specially designed for the merchant itself. So you actually saw our Rapidz application that is for the consumer. So this one is actually specially designed for the merchant itself, where they can actually do some analytical analysis, with their age group or their names, their age group, their gender group. So you can actually do those analysis. And this is actually an example of a perfect Rapidz ecosystem. So we have a happy merchants, and a crypto exchange where the consumers can actually use their cryptocurrencies and spend it with the merchants, and the merchants can actually convert their cryptocurrencies using the crypto exchange. And also the consumers can actually buy or sell their cryptocurrencies using a crypto exchange. So this is actually just an example or our business model. So the Rapidz payment ecosystem, we have a wallet. We have a digital wallet where you can store cryptocurrencies, send and receive your cryptocurrencies, or even use it to pay or spend to make purchases of goods and services as well. We have our POS device, which is specially designed for the merchants, where the merchants can accept cryptocurrencies or the supported cryptocurrencies as well. We have our ATM machine, we have our payment gateway, both online and offline as well. We have the remittance, loyalty program, and digital banking. So this is actually a short demonstration of how in one of our merchants in Thailand here at the Ekamai, it's actually a seafood and a somtam restaurant. You can actually feel free to go there. If you have Bitcoin in your hands, Bitcoin in your wallet, download our application now. Use your Bitcoin to spend, to buy some seafood, your nice food, nice coffee in our restaurant here in the merchant at Ekamai. The POS itself will generate a QR code, so the customer will use their Rapidz Pay application in order to scan the QR code. In order to make payments, they will be inserting their security PIN, and then you will see that the payments actually made. There will be a transaction history, your transaction IDs, and also the merchant's name as well. And also the POS device itself will be printing out 2 copies of receipt, which is one copy for the customer and 1 copy for the merchant. All right, so this is actually the Rapidz system architecture. So this is just roughly to show you, this is our structure that we work on. So Rapidz on partnerships. So we're actually very, very open to partnerships, and also we welcome to new partnerships as well, new collaborations. So feel free to contact us. So these will be our collaborations with all the major companies in major countries. So first, our collaboration with the Major Cineplex. I'm pretty sure you all have heard about Major Cineplex. So Major Cineplex is actually a listed company here in Thailand. It's also one of the largest Cineplex group here in Thailand. So what are we doing in this collaboration is that, number one, we're actually deploying our Rapidz POS device, as I mentioned earlier, to all the ticketing counters of Major Cineplex. So very, very soon you'll be actually seeing our machines everywhere, every single branch of Major Cineplex. So feel free, to spend your cryptocurrencies over there to purchase movie tickets or beverages, popcorns and all, in order to enjoy your night, enjoy your day. So very, very soon. And our second thing that we're doing with our collaboration with Major Cineplex is that we are actually issuing a cashless card, or you can also say M-Cash card, but it's a limited edition of Rapidz. So what you can do here is that it's a cashless card where you can actually top up or reload cryptocurrencies or Rapidz into the card, and you can use the card to swipe at the e-ticketing counters in order to make purchases of goods and services. You can buy movie tickets or Pepsi, popcorn, or whatever you would like at all the branches of Major Cineplex. And this is one of the major collaboration as well with Family Mart in Taiwan. So what are we doing here is that Family Mart actually have points where the customers itself can earn some points. So what you can do here is that you can actually use Rapidz to buy those points, or you can also use Rapidz to buy goods and services in Family Mart. And also, not only that, you can actually use those points, to get discounts on selected goods. So these are the collaboration that we're doing with Family Mart Taiwan. And this is also a collaboration with Taiwan as well. Taxi Taiwan is actually a listed company in Taiwan as well. Some of you over here may have not heard about Taxi Taiwan before, but it is very, very similar to Uber or Grab Taxi over here. They are the largest taxi company in Taiwan. So what we're doing here is that Very, very soon, we will be integrating the crypto payment into their system, where you can actually choose to pay with Rapidz or selected cryptocurrencies in order to pay for your taxi fare. Wouldn't it be great, if you are actually traveling from your workplace to your home, but you can actually use your cryptocurrencies in order to pay for those fares and all. So this is how the application looks like. So as you can see here, that we'll be integrating the Rapidz button over there. As you can see, you can actually choose whether you want to pay with your cash, Visa, MasterCard, and then there will be a Rapidz button over there where you can also use Rapidz in order to pay for your taxi fare. And this is our collaboration with Skria. Skria is also a listed company in Taiwan as well. So what are we doing with Skria is that we are going to implement or integrate crypto payments into their system, where you can actually use your cryptocurrencies or use Rapidz in order to make purchases, buy points, or search for nearby restaurants or nearby clubs, nearby bars, where you can actually get some discounts. And this is how the application looks like. You can actually find it nearby. And this is our collaboration with NEM. I'm pretty sure you all have heard about NEM before. NEM is actually a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency and blockchain platform launched in the year of 2015. So NEM is also listed in CoinMarketCap as well. So what are we doing with this collaboration is that we're actually helping to support each other on each other's platform, on the blockchain platform itself. So we will be supporting NEM on our platform to our audience, and NEM will be supporting us on their platform and to their audience. And this is just our collaboration with O-Card. It's also a listed company in Taiwan as well. So what we do here is that you will actually earn some points when you make purchases, so we'll be integrating crypto payments into the system. And this is our collaboration with Acres. It's a Taiwan-based company. So Acres is actually an online e-commerce platform like Alibaba, eBay, where you can actually purchase goods online. But what we're doing here is that we will be integrating crypto payments into their system. So what we're doing here is that on the checkout page, you can actually choose to pay with Rapidz. You can use your mobile application, Rapidz Pay application, to scan the QR code to make payments. All right, so this is our collaboration with KRS. They're a company based in Greece. KRS specializes in accounting, tax, auditing. So what we're doing here is that we're collaborating with them in order to explore or expand our market in the EU market. And also we will be creating a coin for KRS as well, which will be powered by Rapidz. And this is our collaboration with Zen. Zen is actually an online educational platform where you can actually use your cryptocurrencies to pay for online courses. And this is our meetup session with Thailand Motors. Thailand Motors is actually a Taiwan largest BMW dealer. So what we're doing here is that we're still in further discussion about the rules and regulations. So would it be great, to purchase your dream car using your cryptocurrencies? And these are our merchants who actually use our POS devices in their restaurants, their convenience store in China, in Taiwan. So I'm actually going to go through this very, very quickly. So as you can see here, we have a listed company in Shanghai. They sell ginseng and herbs. So they also use our POS devices as well. And we have here in China, in Taiwan, in Thailand we do have here. You can also go and visit our restaurant over there. We have a cafe, Co-Cafe. You can purchase a cup of coffee, a cake with your cryptocurrencies now. And these are our merchants in Vietnam. This is actually in Ho Chi Minh. It's a wine and dine where you can actually go and spend your cryptocurrencies as well. And this is in Vietnam, but it's in Hanoi. It's a dentist. You can also go and do your teeth, get your teeth whitened using your Bitcoin now. So where we are actually, so you can see here, we are strongly based in Asia. So currently we are strongly based in Asia, but also we are actually looking forward to expand in the European market as well. And these are some of our events. I'm going to go through it very, very quickly. And these are a signing ceremony with the major Cineplex. We have expos and Dubai Expo. We were actually invited to the Banking Innovation Summit. And what really makes us differ is that we were the only company that were about cryptocurrencies and the rest was about banking. And this is in Taipei. And this is actually a press conference. All the roadshows, meetup session in Vietnam. Switzerland, Philippines. We have lots of events, lots of roadshows. And this is actually our grand opening of our office at Thailand over here on March. And these are all our news and media. As you can see, we are all over media, no matter it's a Thai media, Korea, or Japan, or China. And we were also featured on Forbes India as well. And this is actually our latest article release. It was just released a couple of days ago. So what is this article about is that the founder of Bitcoin Cash, Mr. Roger, actually came up to us, visit us in the Taipei at our office, at the Rapidz office, in order to talk about future collaborations and all. And we were featured, in over 40 media. And also, you can also come and follow us as well, no matter it's KakaoTalk, Telegram, Twitter, or Instagram, or even Facebook. You can come and follow us. So actually, this is the end of my presentation. So thank you so much for your kind attention. Thank you.